Well, welcome to this Saturday's cheap video. It's kind of a bluegrass thing called a creek bed full of pain. Yes, bluegrass. That means people die. Well, 20 foot down, it's a creek bed full of pain. I buried that girl on a day just like today. I told her don't go fooling around, she went in anyway. Up there around that corner, girl, that's why you're dead today. Well, I told her don't go fooling around, she went in anyway. Getting caught doing wrong is big, you gotta pay. It won't cost you money, honey, it'll cost you time. It'll cost you all you are, yep, that life. How's it feel there, Joe? Your bones under the plate. I told you don't go fooling around or there would come a day. The feeling all you felt for would somehow go away. Back there around that corner, boy, that's why you're dead today. Well, I told them don't go fooling around, they went in anyway. Getting caught doing wrong is big, you gotta pay. It won't cost you money, sonny, it'll cost you time. It'll cost you all you are, yep, that life. All right, then.